beams is, every single one is as unique as you are. They're all like fingerprints, so that you never ever get two the same. And there are a lot of beams in here. We've got 42s and 48s. So we've got beam delivery day today. And what we've got new is we've actually got some corbels to go underneath narrow beams that will work like shelves, which we've not had in before. So we'll have a look at them all. But the good thing, say it's deep about the fittings on the back. So they're drop catch latch fittings, so they just hook and hang on. They're pretty, aren't they? So how deep are they? 10 inch-ish.
Yeah.
That's 6. I'd say they're 10 inch by 10 inch by 6, 10 inch by 7-ish. We'll have a measure at them later, but they're really pretty. So that's something new.
Don't want to leave each other.
And they're all in matched pairs.
Are all beams.
So we've got the shelf type ones as well this time, which is new for us because we haven't had them in before. Oh, look at the patterns on that. The green on that is beautiful. Right, let's have them out then and we'll video them coming out.
Nice long wheelbase bag.
Yeah, it does me. It does me.
That's a nice knot in that one.
It keeps going forward, that's all I want.
You like them when we get a nice bit of texture on them. But then again, some other people like them plain with nothing, no marks on them, don't they? Every batch we get in, I always end up with a new favourite.
We'll go for these other 42s down the side.
We'll do them ones first, yeah.
Yeah, because they're all the same size. I could find out off Google, I suppose. But you're black. You see your black here?
Yeah.
That's where it's picked up iron ore mineral in the ground, and it comes through in the
The
grain.
wood on that one is ridiculously cool. It's just these end bits, and yeah. I don't even know how to describe that. It's just pretty.
It's all got Dutch homes, I think.
Yeah, it did. I remember that in the 70s.
You still find it now, if you keep it under 6 or 7 foot tall, that wouldn't get it.
Do they?
Yeah.
These are all the same colour.
That's a nice one.
That's beautiful. They're all so different.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Wildly different.
Need some cardboard.
Stunning, Steve.
There you go, Sarah. That's nice.
No.
Wow.
I like that.
That'll probably be an outer plane then, when it more closer to the trunk, wouldn't it?
Could be, yeah.
Okay, so let's show you some of these beams that just come in yesterday. There's quite a good selection to choose from. So this is some of the new beams that we've moved in through here, which have just come in. And these ones here on this side are all 42 inch long. They are 8 inch face, that's the front part that you see, and 4 inches in depth. They've all got hanging tabs on the back. The lads, when they fit them, tend to also glue them onto the wall. So the screw part goes in here and then drops up into the socket, and they tend to use window type fixings that are really strong and long, and then also glue them onto the back. So they're all different features, much like a fingerprint. There's no two the same. So you see this one's got some little tiny knots in it and some nice coloration. They're all got nice coloration, but they're all very, very different in looks. You're seeing some shadows in here, unfortunately, so you don't get to see the best of the true colour. But they're all so unique. From very plain and little or no cracks, right through to some real good feature ones. So these are all 42s. Now as you see, that one's a bit more two-tone. Some of the edges are shaped and chamfered off. Some of them are very square. We're not going to go through all of these, but it just shows you the variety of how different they all are, and why I like keeping so many that you can choose from. This is a sweet one. I've got a soft spot for this one and a 42. I mean, just look at that. How pretty is this? Now into some of the 48s. There's some absolute characters here. This is probably one of my favourites out this batch. I mean, look at the size of the knot. Wood is just so tactile. They're beautiful and they're so nicely finished, and every crack is all hand sanded out. So there's no hairy edges in them. The wood is just so stunning. And then this one couldn't be any more different from the other. I mean, they're just, oh, the detail in these is just fabulous. You see all the rings and the wood on the ends. So there really truly is all sorts in this batch and collection. This one's been cut all wavy to suit the knots and the grain in it, and it's just beautiful. So the ends are angled on this one as well, and it doesn't sit straight on purpose on the ends. This one's a straight cut. But just look at that. But compare it to these and you'll see they're just so different. We've stood them up on end in this room so that you can get in to flip through them and see all the different pieces of wood. So I hope that makes it helpful, but we've got lots to choose from. This is just some of the 48s. There's got to be another dozen or more in the other room. This is our 42s. And then there's also some shelves. The shelf type ones with the corbels aren't in the shop yet. They're down the warehouse till I bring them through. But in different light, here's some more 48s. And you know, wood is so tactile, and they've all been chamfered or edged and smoothed out, so they're just different. Some are, there's no way explaining it really, you need to touch them and feel them, but although these are all 48s, there's just no two the same. And these two are new ones up there as well.